Selecting suppliers is a critical step that every dropshipping business needs to take. But there are so many factors that need to be taken into consideration when you're looking for dropshipping suppliers. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Wealth Conqueror, the place to achieve your financial freedom. While you can always change supplier if issues arise, it's better to find trustworthy partners from the outset, as they can impact nearly every aspect of your business, including customer happiness, loyalty and reviews, delivery times and cost, product quality, pricing and consistency, your business reputation and brand name, your working hours and stress levels. There are many retailers out there who disguise themselves as wholesale dropshipping suppliers. These retailers don't offer value for money, but they are often good at marketing themselves. For this reason, it's important to do thorough research before choosing a supplier. A simple Google search won't suffice. From directories to phone calls, there is a range of ways to find great suppliers for your dropshipping business. Here are our best tips to get you started. Contact manufacturers. Reach out to the manufacturers of the products you want to sell for a list of the suppliers they work with. This simple step ensures you're looking at legitimate suppliers. If the same name appears again and again, this may be your ideal supplier. Go to a trade show. Find out if any trade shows in your niche take place near you. Tickets can be costly, but trade shows are a great way to meet suppliers and view products in person. Google extensively. As we mentioned, many wholesale dropshipping suppliers haven't mastered marketing yet. With this in mind, you should Google various search terms and look past the first page of Google results. Don't disregard a supplier just because of a clunky website. Order from competitors. This is the easiest and most effective strategy. Order some products from competitors or dropshippers you want to be like. Searching the return address will tell you who their dropshipping supplier is. This is a great opportunity to check out the competition and find potential suppliers at the same time. As we saw earlier, the strategies to find a good supplier. A number of websites simply and conveniently list suppliers by niche. Some of these directories screen suppliers before listing them, which provides security and peace of mind. Here are popular sites to look for dropshipping suppliers. Most of them are for free and some require a fee to access their directory. Spocket, AliExpress, Aberlo, Suppliers Data, Salehoo, Doba, Wholesale 2B, Worldwide Brands, Wholesale Central, Megagoods. Do let me know guys in the comments section if you want a detailed video on these online supplier platforms and how to get amazing deals to earn huge profits. As we have seen in our previous videos, how to start dropshipping and the most profitable niches in dropshipping. Now in the next video, we will see the best marketing strategies to significantly increase your sales. Like and share this video with your friends and family to achieve their financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.